No man chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I'm cooking.
Are you cook this, chef?
Yeah.
No.
So today guys we're gonna do some banana cake. So first we're gonna sieve out 4 cups of flour, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, so we're gonna sieve out 4 cups all-purpose flour, 5 teaspoon baking powder, and 3 teaspoons salt. After sieving, we're gonna mix the combined salt and baking powder. Then we're gonna get our So guys, now we're about to add our baking powder. Now guys, after sieving all dry ingredients, we're gonna mix to incorporate. Now we're gonna move on to the next stage where we're gonna use 2 cups ripe banana, and you can either puree the banana. Now we're just gonna mash the banana. Yeah, we're just gonna mash the banana. Yeah, mash the banana. Yeah, mash the banana. Yeah, so yeah. Mash the banana, mash the banana. And the idea is to get the banana soft and smooth. The riper the banana, the better we get a better results. Yeah, the riper the banana, you get a better result. Yep. So guys, here we have our flour mixture, and we are finished with the banana. So the next step is, guys, we're gonna cream our fat and sugar. Cream, fat and sugar, and add egg gradually. So let's go over that side like now. Now we got our fat, spicy, sugar, egg, and we're going to cream the fat and the sugar. So now first we're pouring our butter, then we're going to pour in our sugar. We're going to mix on medium, then we're going to mix high, then we're going to break the eggs one at a time and pour into the mixture and mix. Yeah, then we'll pour it into the mixture and we'll just go mix it, people. You get what I say? You get me? If you get me, say you get me. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Yes guys, for real, this is amazing. I'm saying amazing, I mean like amazing recipe. Right now, if you're not try it now, remember me tell you. So now, as we saw, we just break the egg, pour in. We're gonna break the egg gradually and pour in, and then we just go continue mixing till we get this smooth texture. After mixing, we're gonna pour in the banana, and then we're gonna add like our spices, vanilla, rose water, and almond. Now we got our 1 cup of milk, we got our banana, we got our flour, and we got our mixture. Add flour to the mixture. Onion? No. The one where you go over there when we there, man. Yeah. You know come back. So guys, if you don't have an industrial mixer, you can use a hand mixer. Then instead of pouring the mixture in the bowl, we're gonna use the spoon and we're gonna use the cut and fold method, which I will show you in the next video. The cut and fold method with the spoon. Yep. Yep. Remember guys, you guys yeah man, you really need to try this recipe. You know what I say? The result. Then we're gonna add the bananas. Amazing. I'm gonna say amazing, me like really amazing. Grease baking tin or baking tray and bake for 20 to 35 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, this is the finished product. So guys, you have reached the end of my video, so remember to like, share, comment, subscribe.